What is up, AJ the Grace channel fans? Today we're going to be shooting at again, test it now in a little bit of work with my M93R, or not M93 type. Well, my airsoft rifle, my sniper rifle. This beast right here. And behind me, we're going to be shooting at that can. Okay. Alright, that was a little bit of accuracy test. Obviously, there's still a little bit more to work with and a little bit more bugs. Not the world's greatest sniper rifle, but a little more info, a little bit later on the sniper rifle, hopefully in the next video. Anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notifications. And be sure to have a great day. Peace and have a great day.